So hey guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and right now we have the Galaxy A53 and comparing the front video recording against the Galaxy S21 FE, another affordable phone which is slightly more expensive, recording with 4K video resolution on the front camera. A bit windy here by the sea. The quality looks pretty comparable in my viewfinder at least. So hey guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the Galaxy A53 and its main camera video recording against the slightly more expensive Galaxy S21 FE or Fan Edition. And this is the type of quality you get using 4K video recording on both of these phones. And you let me know if you see any differences, but also let's move the camera slightly towards the sea so you get a better understanding of how they do in different conditions. Alright, so let me know if the Galaxy S21 FE actually has the better video recording or if they're pretty comparable. That would be interesting to see, and thanks for watching.